to my channel. I know I haven't posted a video in a very long time, but I didn't have a reason. I just didn't ever record any videos or anything. But I changed the username from Highest to Beauty by Mission because I just like that better, and I feel like I'm going to do more beauty related videos on this channel, and every once in a while I might do something different, but yeah, I'm just going to post basically stuff that y'all want to see, stuff that I want to record and stuff, and yeah, so what else I wanted to say? I got a new background. It's rose gold, but the camera looks gold, and I know the lighting is not good, but I don't have no other way to have lighting except for the light in my room. But hopefully for Christmas I get a ring light. Yep. So today in this video I'm going to do some kind of makeup look. I don't know what I'm going to do, but the next clip you will see it, and that's what I'm going to do. Oh, and also comment below if you'd rather me do a voiceover or a regular talking tutorial.
Boy, if you don't get...
So first I'm going to wash my face with some, just make sure my face is all the way clean with some witch hazel. Start with my eyebrows first. I'm going to keep moving because how I have my setup, my makeup is right on the side. So I'm going to try to like cut it out as best as I can, but I might not succeed. So yeah, I'm just use the e.l.f. brow pencil. Y'all probably couldn't see that. I can't see it either because I don't have my glasses on. But yeah, I'm just gonna do my brows. How I do my brows are, I really don't do nothing. I need to get them cleaned up, but I really just put a few swipes in them because it just make them a little darker. Because my eyebrows are pretty thick, I think, so I don't think I really need to do that much to them. So now I'm going to take this Wet n Wild crease brush, and I'm going to take this I'm going to do a green look. I don't think I've ever did a green look, but I'm going to take this Profusion Royals palette that I got on clearance at Target, and I'm going to use this shade and this shade from this palette, and I'll see what other shades I use. I'll probably use some of the blue, but I think I'm just going to do a simple look with this palette because I haven't really tried out most of the shades yet. So first I'm going to take the brown shade that I showed you guys, and it's powdery but it's pigmented, so I'm going to put that in my crease. See that pigmentation? I didn't even put on that much. I have to do this pretty fast because I have to leave at 6 and it's 5:36. Take the Morphe MB46. I got this brush, it's just a crease brush. I got this brush at the Morphe store in Los Angeles. So I'm going to take the blue shade and I'm just going to put it in, like, put it in my crease, but like deeper into the crease so that you can still see the brown shade, the transition shade. So I'm just going to pack it and then blend it. Kind of patchy matchy, but I just have to blend it. I literally love this brush. This brush is so soft. And I think it was only like $4. Okay. Now I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild brush and I'm just gonna blend the shades more. Kind of crazy right now, but I'm not gonna say it's gonna look perfect because, you know, I'm not a professional, but I'm trying. Now I'm gonna take this crease brush like this. It's like an angled crease brush or something, I don't know, but I got it off of Wish, and I'm just gonna use, it's a clean brush, I'm just gonna use it to blend this out some more. Now I'm gonna use the NYX glitter primer, and I'm gonna do a cut crease. I just recently picked this up like a few days ago, and I used it one time, and I absolutely love it. I've always wanted to get it because I've seen other people have it, but I just love it. It just makes everything so much better. So I'm just gonna cut my crease. How I cut my crease is I put some shadow, and I just, not shadow, I put it, the glitter primer, I just keep putting it up, and I put it all the way in my inner corner, because you're gonna put inner corner highlight, and you want your highlight to pop. So I just make sure I keep my head like this, and I basically go where my crease at. I know where my crease is now because I've done so many cut creases. But if you don't know where your crease is, I've heard that if you put a dab of your concealer or whatever you're cutting your crease with, and then open your eyes, it will tell you where your crease is at. And I think this is easier to cut your crease with because it's not as liquidy as concealer. But, I mean, I don't think this will work if you're using a matte shade. But I don't usually use matte shades when I do a cut crease. Well, matte shades on my lid. Okay, so this is how it looks so far. It still looks kind of crazy. e.l.f. eyeshadow brush is just like a flat top brush, like a regular shadow brush. And I'm going to take the green shade, and I'm just going to place it on my lid. Yeah, like it's kind of like moving the primer underneath. So I'm going to use my finger because the brush moves the primer. And it's okay if you get some fallout, but it don't really have that much fallout. The primer makes it stick very good. Y'all see how bright this green is? Especially with my finger. Raining so hard with the sun shining outside. I left the mirror. But yeah, so this video is not planned. I just really wanted to film a video today because I wanted to try out the new background and stuff, and I just been very motivated to make videos for some reason. Just want to get back into YouTube.
Help people with their makeup. Help myself learn how to do makeup better. And just so I think this is as best as I'm gonna get the blue to look. I kind of don't like the blue. Maybe I don't know, but I like the shimmer shades in this palette and that matte. But the other shades aren't very good. But then again, this palette's only $3. These colors. This is how it's looking. See how the lights just flickered.
That's this. That's that. So now I'm gonna take the NYX white liquid liner. Looks like this, and I'm not really good with doing wing liner with liquid. I usually use a felt tip, but I'm gonna try something new. So for some reason my SD cards keep messing up, but I'm still just trying to do mascara. Well, I did the other clip. I'm just trying to cover up. That white. I'm gonna take a gloss. I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty gloss, the original gloss, and Fenty Glow. And then the last thing, the last step is primer. I have the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. This stuff, I don't know if it works or not, but it smells good. I like the mist, the thing. I like the sprayer, and it was $15. I was trying to figure out if I want to get it, but I've seen all the other YouTubers and influencers that I love use this setting spray, so.
So thank you guys for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. I don't know if I said it in the intro, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like I said, comment below videos you want me to do, and comment below changes y'all want me to do, or like, suggestions on what y'all want me to do with this channel. Hair video. I know I'm gonna do hair videos, makeup. I'm planning to do a wash and go routine. I have to like master my wash and goes because this right here is like a week old wash and go, and I don't know why, but when I do wash and goes, my hair feels extremely dry, and I don't like that. So I have to find some balm products. Right now I use the Unjackie line. It defines my curls. Everybody be like, oh my gosh, your curls. But it makes my hair dry. I don't know what else I can do. I'm gonna try to do it in the shower one morning. But yeah, that video coming soon probably. And I have more looks that I want to try. I'm gonna try getting more creative with makeup. Like, I don't know, I want to do some Halloween makeup looks and some Hollywood makeup looks, like some spectacular stuff. And I just want to get creative and have fun.